How to sign up to QQ account. So if you want to sign up to your QQ account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for QQ, and after searching here you will have this QQ, right? Simply go for the first search, and now you can choose your preferred language, and now you can simply click on login, which is on here on the upper right. And after searching for QQ registration, here you will have this QQ registration on the first search. Click on that. And now to register to your QQ, first you need to enter your nickname and then your password. You have to create a password and you have to enter your phone number. Simply click on this drop down bar and then choose your country, like your country code. And after choosing your country code, you need to enter your phone number, and you have to simply click on send, so that you will receive a code to your phone number which you have just entered. And then simply enter that code here and click on this circle, which is I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then click on sign up now. And after clicking on sign up now, you will be signed up to your account, or you will create your account. So that's it. That's how you create your QQ account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.